Yearbook of Class 1990.
The Reverberations 90, they help less fortunate batchmate, conducting feeding program, conducting Brigada Escuela, conducting shooting firing to promote mental self-defense and medical missions.
Ladies and gentlemen, our second competing group this morning, Reverberations 90 of Iloilo City National High School.